Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and saxophonists everywhere. If you are a saxophonist, you have come to the right place here at howtoplaythesax.com. Why is this the right place? It is because we like playing our saxophones here, and in this quick video lesson, I want to show you how to play a new note called E flat. That is echo flat. E for egg, E for echo, the flattened version, also known as D sharp. D sharp, E flat, same sound, different way to describe it. Sometimes it's called E flat, sometimes it's called D sharp. But enough from me, how do we play that? Well, it is very easy. There are 3 of them on the alto saxophone. The first one, let's start with the low one. So E flat, D sharp, we have on our left hand 1, 2, 3, the 3 main keys. We have 1, 2, 3, the 3 main keys on our right hand, and add in the pinky, this guy, the top of these 2. If we were playing a C, there is our C. If we're playing an E flat or a D sharp, that one. So all fingers is the D, add in that guy, makes it D sharp. E flat, D sharp, the low one sounds like this. Yeah, clear as mud. Cool. The easy way to get to the second of our 3 E flats on our saxophone is add in the register key. So same fingers. Just to recap, first, second, third on our left hand, first, second, third on our right hand, add in the pinky on our right hand, add in the octave key on our left hand. So our middle E flat, our middle D sharp sounds like this. The low one, take the octave key off, sounds like this. The middle one, add in the octave key. Now, the high one, there is one more and it is high. These high notes can be a little bit tricky when you're just starting out, so I'll show you how to do it. We have our register key, our octave key. What do you call it? Do you call it a register key or do you call it an octave key? It's the same thing. It's your thumb. We're adding in the thumb. We are also adding in 2 of these 3. So again, we are using just the side of our hand here, sort of the knuckle where your finger joins your hand, just above this bit in here. So remember, our thumb is on the register key. We're using this little part, the side of your hand, to operate 1 and 2. Okay, so this one here and this one here. 1, 2, but we are using this one finger. This covers both of those 2 side keys. Yeah? 1, 2. So the high E flat, the high D sharp sounds like this. Now, just a little bit of a hint, just a tip. If it doesn't sound quite straight away like it did there for me, maybe you're brand new to the saxophone, though these side keys, these high notes are a little bit tricky. Sometimes they don't sound, they don't work. They just kind of go, and they don't make a noise. So a suggestion would be, don't tighten up. It is tempting with the high notes. That's hard to say. Don't tighten up. It is tempting when you are playing the high notes to squeeze and squeeze everything. Squeeze your knees together, squeeze your elbows, squeeze your face, squeeze your throat, squeeze everything. Please do not. When you are playing the high notes, relax. Your mouth still needs to be firm, but it's not tight. It doesn't get any tighter. Your throat needs to be open. So virtual bowling ball in through the camera, into your mouth, down your throat, but don't swallow the virtual bowling ball. That will open your throat. Pretend that you've got a bowling ball in there, opening your throat. And again, thumb on the register key, 1, 2 with your pointer finger, the side of your pointer finger, both of those. That is our high E flat, that is our high D sharp. Our middle one again, 1, 2, 3 fingers, 1, 2, 3 fingers, this top pinky here, and middle one with our register key. And our low E flat, take the register key thumb off, still got our 1, 2, 3 finger on the left, 1, 2, 3 fingers on the right, and this top pinky key. Low E flat, low D sharp. And there we go, 3 E flats, 3 D sharps. It's the same sound, different way to describe it. But there you go, E flats, D sharps, rock and roll. Thank you for visiting howtoplaythesax.com. See you later.